Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Vilma. I'm part of Team C, and today I will talk about typical food. Now I will talk about typical food in my country, which is Ecuador. So as I told you yesterday, I said that Ecuador has four geographical regions. So it's just like having four worlds in one place. We have the Amazon, we have the coastal region, the highlands, and the Galapagos Islands. So we have a big variety of food. And today I will talk about a dish that's from the coastal region, and that is ceviche. I don't know if you have heard about that. Ceviche? Like, no? Okay, ceviche de camarón, or something like shrimp cocktail. Yeah. To prepare this dish, you need these ingredients, like you need onions, lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. You need shrimps, of course, and you also need tomatoes and ketchup, and also 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro and vegetable oil. Now, to make this ceviche, we have to follow these steps or these methods. First, you have to slice the onions and marinate them with the lime juice and a pinch of salt. You should also cook the shrimps with some pepper and salt for about 2 or 3 minutes or until they look like pink. Then you have to reserve the liquid in which you cook the shrimps. Then you also have to puree the tomato with 1 cup of the liquid in which the shrimps were cooked. And then you need to mix everything. You need to mix the tomato juice with the shrimp, the onions, the lime juice. Yeah, you have to mix everything and refrigerate for about an hour. When everything is ready, just before serving, you have to add chopped cilantro and oil and mix everything. You should also taste for seasoning to see if you need more salt or pepper. And finally, you can serve it with different things. For example, you can serve it with chifles, which are like thin strips of fried green plantain, or patacones, which are flattened slices of fried green plantain, or canguil, which is popcorn. This is a very typical dish from the coastal region and many people like it. So that's usually the way we eat seafood here in Ecuador, by making ceviches. We can also make ceviche with other like products, for example, crab ceviche or fish ceviche. Yeah, we have many varieties of ceviches. And that's it. Yeah, yeah, it is. Okay, so thank you. If you don't have any more questions, I'll stop recording. Thank you very much, and I will see your video to learn about food in Greece. Okay, good. Yeah, I will stop sharing mine.